It can be quite difficult knowing which scan tool to buy for your Jeep. There are so many options, all with varying features on the market. Some good, some not so good. But in this video, we'll steer you in the right direction and help you understand which tool is right for you, your Jeep and your budget. Showing you some cheap and more advanced options along the way, we'll show you some tools that are made just for Jeep vehicles and some tools that are made for Jeep vehicles and other makes and models. We'll also put links to these kits in the description and the pinned comment, making it easy for you to find these tools if you are interested. So let's get started. We have 5 tools out on show, and at the end of this video I'll reveal which of these tools I would personally buy if it was my money, knowing what I know about these tools. They are the best selling tools at Diagnostic World, so they all have a good reputation and a track record. Starting at this end of the table, we have the cheapest through to the most expensive, and you'll generally find that the more expensive tool have more features and functions, which you'll begin to understand as we work our way through the video. Now at the end of the video, if you're still unsure about which tool to go for, please do email us. We can check for you based on your specific needs, your vehicle, and of course your budget. So we're starting at this end of the table with the cheapest tool. This is the iCarsoft FD version 1.0 tool. Now this tool is a tool which is mainly for covering all of the main systems within your vehicle. Well, it will cover all systems, so it'll cover things like the main systems, engines, airbags, ABS, transmissions, and then whatever else systems are covered in your vehicle. So things like air suspension, power steering, central locking, HVAC system, windows and door modules, things like that. So if you've got faults in any of those systems and you've got associated warning lights, then this tool will allow you to diagnose and reset that. It'll give you a unique fault code, a description of the fault, and then it'll allow you to view live data and also erase the trouble codes, erase the fault codes, which in turn should turn off the warning light on the dashboard. Now the FD version 1.0 tool does cover more than just one manufacturer actually. So it covers this manufacturer, of course, because we're making the video on it, but in total it covers Ford, Chevrolet, Jeep, Chrysler, Dodge, GMC, and all General Motors vehicles in fact, okay? Now it also has one service functionality, so you'll understand more about service functions as we work our way through the video, but this tool has the ability to do the oil service resets on your vehicle, okay? So it doesn't just work on like for Ford vehicles and the other vehicles like the Chevrolet, Jeep, Chrysler, Dodge, GMC. It does those all around the world. I know some of the manufacturers have like different companies for the same manufacturer, but it works on all manufacturers all over the world. So it'll work on the vehicles that are in Europe, Asia, America, South America, things like that, okay? And all over the world really. So that's the version 1.0 tool. We then move on to the version 2.0 tool. This is called the US version 2.0. Now that can be a little bit confusing because it makes it sound like it covers US vehicles or US manufacturers, but it does cover manufacturers which are, this vehicle manufacturer again, because we're making a video on it. But again, the same as this does cover Ford, Chevrolet, Jeep, Chrysler, Dodge, GMC, and all General Motors vehicles from all over the world, okay? So this will do everything that this will do, but this has more features and functions. So it covers all of those manufacturers, but it also does a lot of other service functions, which include the oil service reset, DPF regeneration, electronic parking brake, electronic throttle calibration, steering angle sensor calibration, new battery registration, injector coding, and ABS brake bleeding. It really does depend on the vehicle though, so if you wanted to make sure that one of those functions did work with this tool on your vehicle, then please do email us, send us your vehicle information, and we can check compatibility for you. Well, that's the version 2.0, which is a step up from the version 1.0. We then move on to the next tool, which you guessed it, is called the version 3.0. This is the US, again, version 3.0. And again, it covers this manufacturer. And again, it covers Ford, Chevrolet, Jeep, Chrysler, Dodge, GMC, and all of that GMC or General Motor vehicles. This goes over and above these two tools. This has more features and more functions. Once again, it is the most expensive, but you do get a lot more for your money with this particular tool. So this tool, oops, I've just knocked a few things there. try and take the glare off that. Sorry about that. So yeah, so this tool will do actuation tests, component testing. It's a bi-directional scan tool, which means it's way more advanced than these. It's built on a different platform. You can see it looks a little bit different to the other tools. So it's got better hardware inside, which means it can take better software. So it can do actuation tests, component testing, suspension calibration, EGR adaptions, transmission adaptions, fuel pump purges, air conditioning resets, engine adaptions, AdBlue, and some of the adaptions and calibrations. It can basically do everything that these tools can do, plus more. Okay, so that's the version 3.0 tool, which is a really, really powerful and good option for this particular manufacturer. All right, so that's the version 1, the version 2, the version 3. We then come to this tool here, which is a multi-manufacturer tool. This is the iCarsoft CR Pro Kit. Now this CR Pro Kit covers all makes and models. So let's say you've got one of the manufacturers that this tool covers, but you also have something else from Europe, like an Audi, a VW, a Mercedes, BMW, I've already said that, Porsche, Volvo, something like that, or even something from Asia like Honda, Nissan, Toyota, something like that. This tool covers all manufacturers from all over the world, okay? It has the service functionality of the version 2.0 tool, so I'll run through that again. It does things like oil service resets, DPF regeneration, electronic parking brake, electronic throttle calibration, steering angle sensor calibration, new battery registration, ABS brake bleeding, and injector coding. Okay, so that's the CR Pro Kit, and that's a good option if you wanted to maybe look after a series of cars that you have, your friends, your family vehicles, and you wanted a tool that would generally do sort of most of the basics, but for a wider range of vehicles. The CR Pro has been a really, really good seller at Diagnostic World for a good number of years, and there's a very good reason why. It's a very good tool, and it does exactly what it's supposed to do all of the time. Okay, so that's the CR Pro Kit. We then move on to the end tool here. This is the iCarsoft CR Max. You can see instantly that this looks a lot different to these tools. This CR Max kit is a tablet-based tool, so it has really good hardware, which means it can house really good software. It covers all makes and models for the highest level of service functionality, system coverage, and obviously all vehicles, as I mentioned. So if you were thinking that the version 3.0 tool was a good option for you, but you wanted also to cover all of your other makes and models, then the CR Max is probably the tool for you. Because it takes all of the service functionalities and the bi-directional controls and all of the functions and the features from the version 3.0 tool, pops them into one tool which covers all manufacturers all over the world. So that's the CR Max kit. It is the most expensive tool on the table. It's more expensive than these, but you know, there's a reason for that, because it packs so much into one powerful tool. It does more than any of these tools on the table, so that's why this is the most expensive. But it's not like bank-breakingly expensive like its nearest competitor. It's still probably about £200 cheaper than its nearest competitor. So and also with these tools you'll get free lifetime updates. Other manufacturer tools will charge you, they'll give you a year's worth of free updates, and they'll charge you sometimes £90 to £100 per year just to update the tool. Well, with all of these tools you get free updates for life, and that is guaranteed. Okay, so I mentioned at the start of the video that I would give you my recommendation based on what I know about these tools. You know, I've been working with these tools for a good number of years now, and kind of not wanting to sort of blow your own trumpet, but when you work with something for such a long time, you get to know the ins and outs of every little sort of feature and function of each of the tools. And that's kind of what I've built up over the years. So with that in mind, if it was my personal money and I was looking for a tool for this manufacturer, and it was just this manufacturer I was looking for, let's say, it would definitely be the version 3.0 tool. It's such a good level tool with such a good amount of vehicle coverage and also system coverage within those vehicles, and of course it does a lot of service functions. It's bi-directional, so you can test components, you can do live tests on lots of different motors, components, systems, and things like that. So that would be my recommendation if I was looking for a tool just for this manufacturer. If I wanted a tool for this manufacturer, and let's say I also had an Audi, VW, Porsche, BMW, Mercedes, something like that, Honda, Nissan, from somewhere else in the world, then I would certainly be looking at the iCarsoft CR Max kit. This kit is probably the most highly recommended multi-manufacturer tool out there. Whether you've got a few cars, you're an enthusiast, or you're a small garage or workshop, you just want the best tool that money can buy. The CR Max covers all systems. It does engines, airbags, ABS, transmission. You know, all of your special functions, actuation tests, suspension calibrations, adaptions, the lot. And I think that this is probably the best bang for buck tool out there. So the amount of vehicle coverage, the amount of system coverage, the amount of service functions, all packed into one tool, and it still comes in at even less than its nearest competitors. For what you get for this tool, honestly, this is the best value tool out there. But obviously you might not want to pay for that value. You might want to pay for this value, which is, you know, they're both just as good. They'll give you the same level of coverage when it comes to this specific vehicle, but if you want more vehicles, go for this one, all right? They'll all give you fault codes, unique fault codes, a description of the fault, and that'll allow you to erase the fault codes, erase the warning lights, view the live data, and lots of other features and functions packed into these tools. So I hope that has helped you. If you're still unsure about which tool to go for your specific vehicle though, please do send us an email. We'll check that out. We'll get back to you, giving you the best advice we possibly can, giving you a recommendation on which tool to go for your vehicle, your budget, and your specific needs and requirements. I hope this has helped, guys. Thanks for watching, and yeah, hope it helps.